Hello and welcome everybody. Today I am going to show you how to fix the unauthorized request error in Crunchyroll. This error might appear when you are trying to pay the premium version of the software. In order to fix this error, you can try different methods. The first one is to check your internet connection. You need to be connected to internet and you need to make sure that this internet connection is stable. If it still doesn't work, you can try using a different browser. You can try Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, etc. If the problem is still there, you should try to clear the cache and cookies. You need to press these three dots and you need to clear the browsing data. Here you press clear data and your cookies will be already deleted. You reload the page and it might be working now. If the problem continues, you should try a different payment method. It offers very different payment methods, so you can try all of them. If after doing all this stuff, checking every software, checking every method, if after doing all of this it doesn't work, the best solution is that you contact directly to the support team. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching.